Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is altcoin era. This is a more serious video. I wasn't meaning to drop a video right now, but it looks like we got war in the Middle East, unfortunately. So Iran just attacked Tel Aviv, the capital of Syria, and today we've gone down in the S&P 500. We've gone down 1.32%. Nasdaq has also gone down back to this trend line right over here. Then we have the Dow Jones, and most importantly, we have the VIX. The VIX has gone up to 20.27%. It's gone up 21%. And the dollar looks like it's heading back up higher. And we're going to have a look at BTC. Gold has also gone up. In times of crisis, gold normally goes up. It's gone up 1.17%. So basically what happens is people run to safety assets. Unfortunately, BTC has gone back into this trend line, as you can see here. And this might be a fake out. We hit this as resistance and headed back down. If we go into this trend line, then most likely we could see $54,000. I did speak about this on and on. I did say if we don't confirm this area, then we could easily head back down to $54,000. It's a long way down, but in times of crisis, people tend to run away from risk on assets and go to risk off assets such as gold, such as silver, and so on and so forth. We have the altcoin market. It's gotten hit hard as well. It's gone down 4%. Blur has gone down as well. AVAX has gone down 5%, 6%. We have a plethora of different coins. DOT has gone back into this area. It looks like it's going to break out and it's going to be price discovery to the downside. We have stacks heading back down. We got FTF. Phantom is doing relatively well so far. It's showing some strength. And we have the wider crypto markets. We've got BTC stocks also heading downwards. As you can see here, it's just a red day. So there is a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market due to Iran. Iran missile attack has launched maybe I think 200 or 300 missiles. Iran launches. This is what we didn't want to see, but it is what it is. There's more destruction and death happening in the Middle East. I pray everyone's okay, and I pray that there's a ceasefire for everything. We want peace in the Middle East. Iran launches waves of missiles at Israel hours after US warning. So here is a picture, an image, and you can just see the whole skyline is just full of missiles. And this was going to happen. It's inevitable, to be fair. This was going to happen, and this is not what we wanted to see, and therefore the stock market is heading downwards. But the caveat is this: I hate to say it, but wars are normally bullish for the markets, and I'll tell you why. Honestly, I'll tell you why. The Fed step in and they add more liquidity into the market. We had the Russia and Ukraine conflict. When did this happen? Russia and Ukraine war. When did it start? The Russia and Ukraine war was in June the 8th, 2023. So if we look at the S&P 500, here is the S&P 500 back in June 2023. And as you can see here on the 8th, right over here, we headed up higher. Okay, then we had a pullback, and thereafter we went even more higher. So normally unfortunately, I hate to say this, but normally when there is a war, I hate to admit this, but it's bullish because the Fed step in. Once they step in, they add more liquidity into the market, and therefore prices tend to go up higher. We might see a correction heading downwards, And let me give you the price prediction for BTC. Next possible area of support is at 58,000, and then after it's at 54,000. If you get a chance to get BTC at these lower areas around 53, 54, this is a great area to buy. Ethereum looks like it's heading down. Next possible support is at this area, $2,291. And then after that, we have $2,166. Remember, this is an election year. The elections is very, very close. It's just next month. And normally there isn't a massive crash during the elections. Normally what they try to do is the Fed tried to pump liquidity into the markets. So we won't see anything major. We might see a correction. As for gold is heading up higher and higher. This is very, very bullish for the entire space. I just wanted to update you, quick update. That's me. I got another video dropping in a few hours. I'm just going to edit it. Anyway, thank you very much. Okay, some of your favorite altcoins. Let me go through some of your favorite altcoins. Mid-layer just needs to consolidate around this area. We formed a head and shoulders, an inverse head and shoulders, just consolidating around my area. I've made this consolidation area for a very, very long time. Okay, so as long as it stays in this area, it looks very, very healthy and very good. This looks like a fake out. We're just going to consolidate for a while longer. We don't have much resistance here. It's just thin air. So as soon as the demand steps back in, we could possibly see 50 cents easily. That's it for now. This is your boy. Join my private members, link in the description below. Peace. Okay, before I go, because I really need to go, these are the reasons why you should sell. This is the S&P 500 in the past 70 years. There's a million reasons to sell, and all the bears are going to come out. They're going to come out in their drones. Yeah, they're all going to jump out. They're all going to come out. There's a million reasons why to sell. Yeah, you had COVID, yield curve inverted. You had the Nasdaq 100 does 100% fall in 4%. You have the elections, futures fall, earnings recession, Ebola, haircut, crisis here, crisis there. You got the Russia war. You have now the Iranian war. You have so many different reasons to sell. But at the end of the day, look what happened to the S&P 500. Look what happened to BTC. Look what happened to ETH. Look what happened to crypto. They still went up to the right.